How to fix GCash access temporarily blocked. If you want to fix your GCash access temporarily blocked or GCash detected suspicious changes problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Play Store, go with your search and search for GCash. After searching for GCash, now here you will have your update. So you just need to simply tap on update and update your application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with the apps option. Under apps, go with manage apps and then go with search. And here you need to search for GCash. After searching for your GCash, tap on it and then go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with app permissions. Under app permissions, you need to make sure that you allowed all of the permissions right here, which is music and audio, location, contacts, nearby devices, phone, notifications, photos and videos. Make sure all of these options are turned to allow. After that, you can go back and then restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.